Good morning, guys. Hello, baby here. Welcome to this vlog at very special. And guys, it's early morning over here. I thank God for the gift of life. Anyway, guys, on today's videos at very special, and on today's videos, I'm heading to the Nyambohanse at construction site. So I want to take the record of how many steel bars that I'm going to people used, mason, handman, and I want to see how many people that we have in the construction site. So that's my work, and that's where I came from. That's where my life transformed. So that being said, it's all morning. You can see right there outside. It's chilling. We have a nice sun outside, man. Whoa, but I'm coming to have something inside the house, so it's quite morning over here, so I need to put something on the table as I move around to show you. Wow. Whoa, it's a beautiful morning, man. Imagine God have granted us to see amazing day like this. At the same time, on today's videos, I'm heading down. I want to check my my friend's land, how things goes there, because I don't like any distraction of the properties. You know, I must be checking every single minute. Wow. Whoa. People asking me, hello baby, what's up? Thank you so much for the love and support that you show me every day, every single minute. I really appreciate. It's not easy as most of the people they can, but I put more effort putting videos every day, day to daily, and you guys, I take your comments serious. You advise me, hello baby, do this, do this. I'm telling you, wow, these calves are grazing here. You have the beautiful calf. Say hello. They are chewing, like grazing napier grass here. Say hello. Imagine, guys. We have guavas here. You have plenty of guavas. Look even at this one, the ripe one. Look, plenty of them. Wow. So when you watch these videos, let me know in the comment section what do you think about on today's vlog. But for me, are very special, and I thank God every single minute. I say, God, thank you so much, because guys, without you, my family couldn't put something on the table. You know, like, you watch my videos every day. At the end of the month, I do this. Maybe I purchase materials, I buy this, and then I take my sister to school, my sister and brother to school, I mean, in general. So the cow is grazing here, right here. Right here. Hey, and they want to go outside. Hey. Tunacheka huko enko gorofa chikora.
Chitana ta.
Wow, so they want to take those goats outside. Imagine, guys. At the same time, the car grazing right there. Chitana tau.
Na chibo hiko honta kwe uchiha ganda bo.
Oh.
Ya hira kumana.
Go. Que gotivo. Que gotivo sana. Kemba channel. Aya. Nasike. Alright guys, so let me have my breakfast as I move toward my neighbors, like toward my friend's land, and at the same time I'm going to construction site at Nyabohanse. As you know, what is my work I'm supposed to do. So I don't know which day and which time, but I'm going to clean my yard at my home. But hopefully tomorrow I'll do it. So I want to wash my hand. Even I didn't know what's on the table, which kind of the food right here. But let me wash my hand right here. This is a hand soap wash. I'm telling you guys, hygiene is very, very important. Oh guys, let's see. I have the spoon here. Oh, we have beans. We have chapati. Alright. So this is a dinner place. I wanna take the plates right here. Oh man. Guys, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to subscribe to Dave Junior's YouTube channel. I really appreciate for the love and support, and also go and show Felicitas some love. I will share also the link every video, so able to push her every videos, guys. So love so free, and let's have something, guys. Imagine. No problem, guys. Right here it's a self-serving, guys. These are beans. Don't take too much beans. That one I'm okay with it. Right here we have chapati. Oh man. That one I'm okay. Imagine. Only one chapati and then I'm full. Ooh. David Jr. Big shout out. He was the one who changed my life by introducing me to you guys. Imagine, without him, I could sit somewhere idle. Maybe. But initially, I was a hard work man. Even you can tell in the comment section. Even up to now, guys, I couldn't hide anything back. Big shout out to David Jr. I appreciate, guys. I'm putting my tea right here. Imagine, guys. Oh. Okay, guys, let me pray for my food before I leave. Thank you, Heavenly Father. Bless my food that is on my table when I take in Jesus' name I pray. Amen. Guys, I pray the food that I have here. And that being said, these beans here, very nutrition. Wow. Life in the city. No, life in my countryside. Maybe guys, you are new on my today's vlog, and I didn't understand which time to watch my videos, but thank you so much. Thank you. Even thank you for my good subscriber who are joining today on today's videos. Thank you so much. I really appreciate for welcoming. And soon I'll celebrate 7K subscriber. Me, I'm the guy who climbing the ladder step by step. When I eat one chapati and beans like this, I can go up to evening time, so we meet maybe during supper time. Guys, let me enjoy my food, so we shall meet outside, guys. Wow. Anyway, guys, I'm outside after taking my breakfast, so right now I'm heading to the power saw where they're splitting a post for the construction site, and I want to tell them like they need 12 feet and don't cut maybe bigger post. So I'm leaving right now here, so technically I'm heading outside, and that being said, let's go and see. Guys, thank you so much for your full support that you show me. Imagine I'm heading outside and my baby is waiting me there. So this is my baby here, actually from the power saw where they're splitting timber. I'm heading to my friend's land, and I want to check how everything is down there before I went to the construction place. Guys, I'm outside chasing my dream like crazy, but all in well, one day this video I have been repeating for several times, one day it could pay me off, and the hell have I been doing? You have the case right there, and technically farming is our backbone in our village here. So heading this way and then go that way. Wow. Telling you, you had the power saw on the other side, so that's where I'm heading to. Taramanya mama, mbona nkuru hai? We keep rolling these videos to the end. Please guys, if you haven't subscribed, subscribe, share my videos, like, comment on the comment section below, but I drop the sweet comment, guys. I'm here to enjoy your comments. Look guys, my entire village, everybody's building at own pace, no competition. You can tell in the comment section, no competition, man. But even me one day, I wanna build my mama dream house. I'm telling you, everyone have its own time to build. But for me, my time is coming this year. But I'm not specific which month, but this year. Oh, these are our neighbors here. When I come down here at Congrats Dad's home, these are our neighbor for now. When I'm going home far away, also we have our neighbor. You heard the power saw? I'm heading there. Whoa. Wow. Me, I appreciate when my village keep growing in terms of building and construction. You can tell everywhere. Me, I feel so happy. Let me say less than 5 years. When you come to Africa, especially in my village, you can't believe that this is the village that we saw maybe for several times. Wow, I'm heading this way where they're splitting timber. I then told them they needed 12 feet each because I'm using for the tall building. So they're splitting timber. Tata, nimeambiwa mkate futi 12. Na David amesema msikate miti minono zaidi. Ni one every. Kana utaona? Nyere kano munyere. Sitari niambia. Atukati minene. Haya. Munyere. Sawa. Kama garangara atikoje. Nitamanyire po nante yangu ngeme nuru sana. Nani kumusora nyabo. Awa tate menkai minyere okay. Tani marat. Sir. Po. Wow guys, I think I have made things to be clear. I told them the engineer needs 12 feet. Every post must range at 12 feet. So I'm heading to my neighbor's land, like on my friend's land. Like he was neighbor to Ithiriba, neighbor to Ankomo. So I'm heading to my friend's land and I want to check. And then I left going to the construction site, guys. Alright guys, I left both of my helmet and jacket. Actually, I'm going to see or to visit my friend's land. Actually, it's been a while without going there. Oh, I'm totally confused. But the Oko is just over there. Sometime it went crazy, you know. Have something to do. Ragjan, say hello. Yeah? You good? You good right now? Hey, I can't wait to see my Bruno reach at this height. Okay. Say hello. Alright. We have Simba right here. I'm heading this way. Actually, man, I feel so good to be a supervisor or to be a manager at Nyabanza construction site. At the same time, to manage my friend's land down there. So I must go and check. And I was visiting, there's a, imagine I was coming from up there where they're splitting post. So far so good. Let's go outside and see. I'll never go with my baby right here. I'll go by foot. And I was coming from up there where the Virginia bought a land with some trees, and they were splitting timbers or post for the site. So I'm heading this way, and I left my baby right there. Anyway guys, follow this vlog to the end. Let me know in the comment section what do you think about. For me, man, I'm so happy, and I'm trying to grind so hard to achieve my goal. Imagine, to build my mama dream house. Right now I'm not 100% sure which day, which month that I'm going to build, but only God who knows. When the time reach, I'll release and everybody know. But so far so good. Let's grinding so hard. We have the perimeter right there for the privacy. Imagine guys, I'm telling you, a day like this, I speak to you, I'm grinding so hard to achieve my goal. One day you will see my mom's dream house coming in good shape. I can't wait. And let me put beside of the project of making bricks, I want to have like 1,400 blocks running out, and then inside we do partition for the bricks, and then the remaining of the bricks I'll create a perimeter wall in front, like alongside the road, for the privacy of my mama house. Anyway, this tobacco right here, that's Uncle Mo's home, you know. So like we closely friends, neighbor, like 50 meters apart from maybe my land, or maybe 50 meters apart from my home, like this to Uncle Mo. And this is a corner shop right here. You are watching corner shop, it just right here. This is a small window. Let's go. We flow, we vibe to the end. Please guys, subscribe if you haven't subscribed, and go and check Felicitas. I really appreciate for the love and support. Chewy, Chewy, you good, Chewy? This is Uncle Mo dog. Chewy, right here. Riska, let me open for this dog right here. Okay, get inside. Riska menda. Oh, Kisumu. Isisi anaka igore ni sukano yale. Anta karibu ni video ngotema kuanza. Usini ante megucha. Simba naka igore. Yeah? Bado. Can you go correct? Okay. Nendai. Guys, I was opening the door for Uncle Mo to get inside as I keep showing you around. Man, what a beautiful village, man. Everybody's building, but according to he or she the time. Even Hello Baby, the time is coming. I'm telling you, man, I can't wait. I'm telling you, man. Wow. So far so good guys. Right now I'm working for the blocks, 1,400 blocks, and one trip like 700 blocks. That's one trip. It costs $400. I'm telling you, no blagging things, all the way from Nairobi up to my village. And man, maybe if you can support to build that dream for my mama house, I really appreciate, guys. But thank you so much for your full support. You supporting me every day, watching videos, comment, drop the sweet comment there. Actually, imagine I'm heading to the land right now and see how things goes. Man, I'm telling you, this year it depends the month. I'm going to build my mom's dream house right now. But so far so good. I see the land coming in good shape over there. Let's go. Let's do this. You see right here? That's the Rivers place right there with the White House. But I'm heading this way to see how things go. Man, it's by God's grace. We do everything, it's by God's grace. Right here, the condition number one is to pass on this entrance here. You see? Although right now, this small gate is under total mess right here. But they are insecure enough. We have the stones right here, you know, right here. But the owner who sold for me the land, they insist to buy these stones. But I'm thinking of, I can buy, yeah, this one right here. Right here. So anyway guys, welcome to my friend's land. I'm just on the land right now here. The house is just right there. And thank you so much. Imagine. Oh, there's somebody calling me. Hello. Hey. Yeah. Okay, mura niko kwa video. Okay, mura kidogo tu. A few minutes I will call you. Okay guys, I was shooting the videos and a friend of mine calling me. So I'm telling her, like I'm telling him, it's a brother Dag, I'm telling him, give me 30 minutes, I'll call you. So anyway guys, welcome to the land. This is how our land looks like from that way. From that post, come this way, on that flower garden right there, going up to far end at the back of this house. Right here we have the borehole, and I don't know who opened this borehole. I didn't understand, but there's no water right now. So you see guys, I must close it. This is a beautiful house that we have here. Imagine, even at my house, I'm remaining with like inside I renovate, and outside I want to do like this one here, doing everything to be a bulletproof house. Everything is okay, and we bought the padlock right here. You see, it's a brand new. We close everything. So anyway guys, I open. This is how the house looks like. Wow. Wow, the house is very, very clean. You can tell. Maybe if somebody's sitting somewhere else watching these videos, you can see it's a beautiful, beautiful house inside. Look, even me, I feel like I could stay inside here. But all in well, God is good. Wow. Maybe villagers or neighbors fetching water from here, you can tell in the comment section. This borehole have a lot of water inside there. So there's a container here with the rope. And guys, remember, after this, I'm going to visit, I'm going to the construction site. I want to see how things go. Man, more amazing videos coming, man. See right here. Have another new padlock. We bought like 2 of them. Like this one goes to $3 right now here. Anyway guys, thank you so much. We keep going this way guys. I'm heading to take my bike and then go home. Guys, everything is okay right now. I'm heading to Nyabohanse construction site. So the time is so fixed right here, but it's good to visit this land as we keep going this way. Imagine, guys. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't subscribed. I really appreciate for the love and support, guys. Subscription, watch my video to the end, don't skip ads. That's the best way you can support Hello Baby Official. So let's go. We keep going this way. When the guy dropped the trouser there, the sweat. Imagine. That's how the village could be crazy at that time. Today I'm on slippers. Walking here. People have already prepared the land right here. We have the church SDA right here, or Servant Day. It's by God's grace, man. These are hidden roof toilets. Look. Initially, I was thinking to build a toilet like this, but on that season, I was making so many research, and I found a nice toilet, a modern one. You see, but for mine, man, what can I say? I put tiles, I put ceiling, and it's by God's grace. So apart from that, I'm heading to Nyabohanse at the Virginia construction site. Let's walk there. Wow. Guys, finally, let me wear my jacket, helmet as I go to the construction site. Fungo. I left that compound. Right now I'm heading to the construction site with my helmet, and that is my baby here. So let's go. We're fully outside, guys. Thank you so much for the love and support. I really appreciate, man. Imagine, guys, super harvest right now, right here, and I'm keep going to the construction site. See the motorbike. The car is coming like crazy right now. Oh. Guys, I must close because of dust. I close, guys, because we have dust here. Wow. Guys, subscribe to my channel. Wow. Hello guys. So actually I was passing here and I see big machine coming. But all in well. Sit down there. I'm heading to the Buhansa construction site, guys. Hey. Alright guys, I'm back in Buhansa and I'm heading to construction site. So that being said, I want to see the work for today. This is how Buhansa market looks like to the world. So let's see. We have the beautiful car right here, I'm telling you. So guys, so far so good. Welcome to Dave Junior Construction. I'm the supervisor, so I want to see the work for today. How many steel bar they are going to use, cement, and what is going on. That's my work until when it's completed. Hey, oh, so I said, wow.
Construction site man, gonna do you recall me?
Jay.
So guys, how are you? Wherever you are, good evening. I'm Jay Official, friend to Hello Baby Official. So I'm working this construction for David Junior. So enjoy watching and visit this work as the way we are going to proceed. Already we have elevated.
Alright, sana.
Yeah.
Joe kazi. You know my supervisor, if you mess one day, you lose your job. I'm telling you. Yeah.
Hello babe.
Yes.
Welcome, enjoy watching, visiting this site.
Yeah. So guys, if you're watching this video every day, like people doing this pillar, like fixing of the pillars. So today, I'm showing you. So this is the final result for this place. You can see right here. So they're removing this box from this side here. We're amazing, man, I'm telling you. If you calculate the cost price that's going on this one pillar, man. Even you can buy a construction material. Wow. Morocco Roger.
Eh, inyechi. Sambili ya.
Okay, they are moving from this place, fixing right there. For example, this pillar here, they have already removed to give us a result what is going on here. I'm telling you. And these are wall pass. If you want like to build some steps, you put the wall pass right here. We have a bag of cement here. So on yesterday, 30 bags of cement arrived on this construction, and they were being used around 5 of them. So right now they take 2 of them. I'm doing it systematic way. They use 4 of them. 1, 2, and 1 bag costs to $10, roughly 900 Kenyan shillings. That's 10 USD. Kwa nafikiri matani si mfukoni 900 sai 900 wengine 930. Sasa si ni kama 1000 tu.
Na ile nyingine. Ile ni 1000.
Eh.
Wapi ile? Bamburi.
Bamburi.
1000.
Eh. Ai yeye Manchester yeye akiwa ni Bamburi wewe nini yeye anauza 900.
Hello guys. This is King Charles Kirioba 254. I'm a friend to Hello Baby Official. Thank you. I'm here now with Hello Baby. So subscribe to Hello Baby Official. Subscribe to King Charles Kirioba 254.
King Charles.
Yes.
So guys, I'm just supervising this work here. At the same time, I'm learning something new to my mama dream house. Like to buy wall pass like this is some kg. Imetumika.
Tumekata size.
Hey. And one goes to 4,000 Kenyan shillings.
Yes.
Right?
Yes. Yes.
Imagine.
It's about 25 kg.
25 kg?
Yes. It's about 4,000 Kenyan shillings.
if I would have around $60, I could have 2 of them. I think it can finish my mama dream house right here. And one weight 25 kg. Hello baby on the control. Oh. This is the work of the handman. Atuni na kore hanokego. So I'm telling him, even me one day I was doing here the work of handman, and my life transformed from this place. If you think I'm lying, go and watch my first video on YouTube. Maybe it's not my first video, maybe 6th video. So they're taking measurement. Charles, asa leo mtakoroga hii? Yes. Moreka msere kono mzee atano. Yeah. Kamserereko. Analicha.
So here we make it short because we want the staircase to land here.
Yes, I know. Oh, these 4 pillars. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Yes, this for staircase.
Okay.
It's whole staircase. So we want to bore her up to this height. This 1.3 meters.
Right.
1.3 meters. So that after stairs, we're gonna have a beam here all round.
Okay.
Yes, to strengthen the stairs.
Okay.
Yes.
So after 1.3 meter staircase.
Staircase.
1.3.
No. This 1.3 meters. After 1.3 meters, we have staircase of 6 inch. 6 inch landing. From there we have 6 inch landing staircase. Concrete. Then we turn this way. Then we go up.
Go up.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. We start from here. We start from here.
But these are staircase.
Yes. The steps starts from here upward.
Oh, you mean these are an entrance right here?
Yes.
So you come this way?
Yes. We start the staircase. Yes.
Okay, I get you.
Yes. We come here. We land here. We land here at about 1.3 meters height. Yes. After landing, it's all over up to here.
And then you
Then
start
we
your
turn,
journey.
Then we come this way, we turn, then we off.
Oh, okay, guys, I get my engineer. So just like you go this way,
This space,
and then you go this way, and then
yes.
Oh.
You see this space is the U-turn.
Oh.
Side. This space up there.
and then a U-turn.
No, no.
Okay, you go this way.
After we go up, after boring the slab, first floor, then we start up there.
I stay like this.
Yes.
Oh,
Yes. It go zigzag. Zigzag.
Zigzag.
Zigzag. We call it zigzag.
Okay.
Yes. Thank you.
Guys, subscribe to J Official.
Hello baby. Today I'm gonna change my name. I want you to give me your fun name, so I'm gonna use it to my channel.
Maybe
Yeah.
you be David Junior's Mason.
David Junior's Mason.
Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe.
But I want to make a shoot with you officially to open my channel. Okay.
Yes. Be the David Junior's Mason or engineer, whichever the case. Guys, literally here we use manpower, but I know from my entire world we use machine to cut the timber like this.
So that's one that one we lack. We lack machines.
Yes.
Yes.
Here as African we use manpower, no
Yes.
problem.
Sema kutumia moja bwana.
Watatika hiyo mimi sifanyagi hiyo. Sina hiyo power.
Yeah. Mkate.
Sasa kama wale nyama. Mota Queen.
Amekula nyama saa hizi.
Hata niko machanji kile hoteli ya New Hanoiga. Mugambe
Akena ki unahitaji hiyo toothpick.
Yeah, we are talking about during lunchtime they're gonna take them to a nice restaurant. Woo! Let's go, guys. So that's my work, to be around here. At the same time I'm heading home, so they create a beam here to strengthen this pillar. Imagine, man, that's how we empower people here according to standard living of their life. Then here you have the wheelbarrow, you have the concrete. Maybe, I don't know, I'm not 100% sure. Maybe today I'm gonna mix the concrete, but it is what it is. Let's see how the day goes. Look, we have the truck right here. Look. Anyway, guys, stay tuned. More amazing video is coming from here. And in case you're new here and you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. On this side here we have the workshop. You see, they're removing these pillars, timbers right here. Wow. At the same time I'm riding the bike, so the reason why I'm wearing the helmet sometime to protect my life. I see how we got today. You fool. Imagine kukuwa niko na boki nataka kahire mtu.
Ataka chai. Ate ko muntu na nakapesa ta kuramba.
Kuramba katore.
Ya mungu ga.
Maucho wona eka machi.
Me
Utacha ko tamuka wiga aiburuke. Ai.
mukana na regalo mugo ka.
Keno shit.
Alright guys, I'm showing you how the work will be going on here. I'm ready anytime. I can drive to border town or my home. So this is my helmet. I left my jacket outside. Kigonge. Jay. Suweke mtuki pale.
Weka mtuki.
Weka mtuki ubanue. Ona hapa.
Huku mundani.
Inaweza bomoa.
Hivyo.
Sawa.
It's right here. Gun. Oh, binding.
Hii na ile. Nikuleta nyundo.
Ndio hizi tu. Oi, baby.
Ni kaka hii.
Take care.
Hey. Because I'm just here. You have been given the permission? Yeah. By the supervisor. See me? Okay, your personal supervisor is strong. How do you feel? That's first step. Look at him. Take a haircut. Very, look. Very. You can tell the house it's super strong. Hey. Yes.
I'm so happy to be at this place, David Junior.
You know, a pillar like this,
You can.
it's someone's salary.
Yes.
Yeah, it's true. I know it's so much expensive. I think we can take our subscriber tour to give them the reality movie.
A pillar like this, it's a teacher's salary here in Kenya.
It's true.
Very
Can you
true,
imagine,
guys.
One pillar.
This one that you see here.
They're removing, like squeezing the nails back, and then transport this
Okay, let's go this side.
box to the next pillar. Guys, they need my help. As a supervisor, I need to help them. Okay, let's go. I'm helping you. To them. I'm helping them. If I'm shooting around the end of a tool, Kimuke. I don't need to be ningo so in
Ah.
I have to have.
So baby decided to join them.
Yes, join the route.
Because many people make work easier. Guys, I'm creating Hello Baby's video right there. At the same time, I'm shooting my video just to support him. Because I want to see him successful and maybe one day build this kind of house, because everything is possible. So what's next here?
That's the work for supervisor. You see, guys, I'm not joking, man. Anyway, guys, stay tuned. Well, guys, I'm heading to visit one of my friends. Look. Wow. Actually, guys, I'm going to visit Brother Dagi at his home. Maybe, guys, you will know later. I'm outside, guys, to chase my dream. But I'm sorry, guys, we have too much sun here. Let's go and see. That's the beautiful, beautiful, amazing view of my village right here. Whoa! East Africa Road. I'm telling you. Guys, I'm heading to Border Town. I want to fuel my baby fast, and then I go to Brother Dagi's home. This is a Roman Catholic church right here. Down there, guys. Real hustle, real life. Nothing changed, but improvements and building and construction. That one. Fuel my bike right now as I speak here. It's time to fuel my bike on a new shell. Niweke vipa kama kando, hakuna ilishaga. Wewe niweke vipa ya 300.
Tena si yeke.
Tawile niweke furu kompia, weka sai. Kwa sai. Haya mon.
Fanya la mburu kwa ile mburu kwa chupa.
Ile nimepeleka kienda kutumika kwa mashine. Ina record. Acha na record. Unataka kujiona? ina record. Nikipenda ita record. Wewe niweke mafuta. Vimba ya miandandu. Takuja niweke full. Pikipiki na kuja.
Kan ujaga ri.
Basi. Go. I'm fueling here. Vipa.
Wewe umekuja na Baziri hapo. Ndio alikuja hapa. Baziri ulimleta hapa.
Mr. Basi. Mimi. Wala mimi nirudi nyuma tuweke kwanza mafuta. Mimi nikaleta Mr. Basi. So this is another share here. It's time to pay, guys, money. Well, guys, finally I left the tarmac. Right now I'm using the Muram road, my village road right here. I normally pass inside here. It's a kind of bush that we have there. Road and the dump site there. Phew, it's smelling so bad. But this is a shortcut that I use. Going to Brother Dagi, also going when I came from Border Town. I'm using going to home, you know, man. Wow. Have a lot of dust. There is a car in front of me. Actually, man, I'm driving at my own pace, showing you amazing view, beautiful green, man. And even right here, you have a church right there. So anyway, guys, welcome to Brother Dagi's home. Right here. This is my bike. So first thing, if you get out from the motorbike or a car like this, you must lock. You take a key and then we proceed. But I don't want to leave my helmet behind. Torab. Alright guys, let's see before the day end. Let's see Brother Dagi how maybe the progress go.
Wow, my good people, it's Brother Dagi here. We are coming live one-on-one from my village.
From your home.
From here, guys. Welcome, brother. How is everything, man?
Everything is good.
Since we just come from the Virginia construction, right now we are in the village. Hello, baby, you know, always when he's around with me, he's just checking how everything moving on, guys. You know,
I'm branding your name.
Yes, yeah. And I really appreciate for what you're doing for me.
Okay.
Guys, Hello, baby just came here to see why the construction stopped, guys. You know.
Maybe, you know, you can't harass maybe building once from foundation. Wow. Like the way it reach, you give the time to be compressed, to be concrete.
Yes.
And then you continue. Yes. If you build from scratch up to finishing, it starts making cracks.
Cracks, it's true. Yeah, it's true.
Hey, the owner boss. Buyere haki ya Mungu. Sasa haraho. Slab. Hey. Hey, sasa kama hara mukiribu labdi chobo ingeri kuyegoro butambe. So you're talking about that small hara mpaka I thought that harapan had a churibu neisku. Oh guys, this 3-room toilet. But mine is 4.
Yours is 4.
4 bedroom, bro.
My family, you know, somehow
Hey.
it's big, but this one, it's enough for them because also we have neighbors, you know. Sometimes you can find someone coming there fetching water because I'm having their borehole. All the village, they're using that water. It's helping the village. And that's why we are here. We are making something that it will help even.
Let me tell you one thing. If you build this toilet here, it's your toilet and your family. Don't allow maybe some old neighbors come to this toilet. They will put food and then it's full and then you're struggling maybe digging another toilet.
Yeah.
This is your family toilet here.
Okay.
The way I built my toilet at home, it's meant for my family.
Yeah.
If you allowed maybe all villagers around that surrounded you coming here,
They
then
will
you struggle.
destroy.
You struggle.
Guys, we are here. Maybe soon, God willing, we will be able to get one tip of sand because the sand we are having here, it's not enough and it's not good also to be used up to up. So we need to change.
So that one you use for plastering.
Yeah, this one for the plastering. Yeah, so maybe 2 to 3 days, by God willing, we will be able to start again in our construction.
Yeah, guys.
Yeah.
But if you build a structure like this, no pressure.
No hand.
Step by step. If you get a little amount of money, just keep pushing here.
Yeah.
Like the way I remember first day they built on that height right there, 4 rooms, and then I didn't have blocks because I was using the blocks. It reached at that point. The following day, no money to buy bricks. But the good thing is my brother, he was making for me, he was making the bricks. I used that chance. I told my brother, give me your bricks as I continue to construct this toilet. When I get the money,
And
I'll
then
pay
you will
you.
be able to finish.
And my subscribers are very, very loyal. I told them I use my brother's bricks,
Yeah.
and he has a business of making bricks to sell and use that money to go to join university. One of my subscribers sent me money and then tell me that go and give to your brother this $100. They can give you bricks. I use that bricks until I finish everything, even on this small porch here. Like they're covering.
Finished.
I finish everything.
That's good.
Yes, it's
That's
by God
good.
grace.
Yeah, God grace. And also we know God grace, guys, God plans and everything will be able to succeed. You know, it's about slowly by slowly, and then the end of the day, now we can be managing this.
This
you know,
toilet is big, bro.
it's big, bro. Wow.
If you are using my example to build a toilet like this,
Yeah.
even nowadays I see my toilet is too small. Or it's because I put tiles and everything.
Maybe.
Did you see my toilet inside? Ceiling board,
Ceiling board,
tiles everywhere.
tiles everywhere.
Like, you know the reason why I put tiles inside and outside I paint is because inside there to avoid maybe painting every day, because you want to go to the toilet and then you touch the wall like this.
The wall like this.
Every month to paint. But tiles you can wipe with a warm,
it's
warm
true.
towel.
It's true. But for me, guys, it's God plan. Because right now the way I am, it's about how tomorrow will be. But me, I believe everything will be able to change.
Yes, and guys,
I really trust in God. Like tomorrow, it will not be like today.
yes. And guys, to be honest, no one who is born to know tomorrow, but it's by God's grace. You know, even me a day like this, I never know what's happened tomorrow.
Month you
One
have
day,
to put something there. Every month you have to put something there. Can you imagine, guys? Really like working hard, and also me every single day the change is there.
oh guys, finally I'm back home after all trip that I went. Imagine since morning. So right now I think it's around let me check. It's 5:37 p.m. Imagine since morning around 7 a.m. up to 5:37 p.m. Man, I spent outside all the day, but I came at home. No one is here, so I'm supposed to check our cow, how they're doing. But I think I'll never go there. But I see it's okay. From the far end, we have another one there. Imagine, guys, that the house that you see there, bungalow, that one there, it's built by the blocks right there that I'm pointing, guys. Maybe that is the suggestion that I had, guys. I'm telling you, this year I'm not sure about the month and date, but this year, day of 2025, guys, to be honest, I just dream it. I will build my mom a dream house, 3 to 4 bedroom. It's enough for her, and let's see how God will open the door. But for me, I'm just grinding so hard, and I want to do every month to do some steps, guys. You just keep watching my videos every day, drop the sweet comment, and man, I'm ready to go. Look, through your support, I built this, and I know for the haters, they will say, "Oh, hello baby, you crying, man." I'm telling you, you know, I came out with my issues, and I solved it with my issues. I have the toilet, and it's 4 rooms. You can count even at the back here. Look, this first washroom, this toilet. Like toilet, I'll cross near. This toilet for my mom. This toilet, another here. And that's the washroom, you know. Look, and I think so right now I can paint the white paint here so it can be more clear. Imagine, guys, through your support, I managed to build things like this. What about my mom's dream house, guys? What about? And right now, when I get 1,400 blocks, it can keep pushing that house. And when it can't finish, I'll use my neighbors who make for me my mama bricks there to partition for the rooms. But hopefully 1,400 blocks, it's go around, because man, I want to build a mansion, a mega mansion in this village. 4 bedroom, but a bigger one. So maybe it's according to the space, but the space that we had, like the share for my dad, I'll fix to build that house. So anyway, guys, flow with Vibe to the end. Please subscribe to Felicia's YouTube channel. I really appreciate it, guys. Take her to 200 right now. She almost at 100 subscribers. Take her to 200, and I really appreciate it, guys. Every day when you show him some love, I feel so good. And also, guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Subscribe. Share my videos to your family. And guys, I will never forget, subscribe to David Junior's channel, guys. So I'm heading to my house. Even I don't know what are inside, but I opened the gate randomly, so no one is there. So let's go and see. Whew. On today's vlog, guys, I'm supposed to clean my yard here, but because of time and I'm a supervisor, imagine I went all the day, so I came right now. Supposed to finish video with you. This is my baby right here. It's waiting me. Let's see, guys. Welcome home. Welcome home, guys. This is my birthday gate here. Maybe one day we'll have a modern gate, but for now, we appreciate what we have. This is what I'm calling home. And guys, as I talk, the plan to build my mom's dream house. This house gonna be demolished. Up to, we use this length here, where I'm standing here, going that way. Even that house will be cut off, where the cow staying inside. We cut that house. Even it's possible in the future this time could be squeezed back, and going this side, we want to build my mom's dream house. And maybe here it could be the entrance, like the small porch in front here. At the back also we have the small porch. Why not me, guys? But all in well, we shall succeed by God's grace. Me, I'm just grinding so hard every day, putting video. And guys, you're amazing to me, and you advise me according to the videos. Man, imagine, maybe the house in future, the house that remaining here as a memory. This one, a memory verse from remembrance. Only this one, and this one in future I'll plastering outside, and it look nice, and it's a bulletproof because of course inside we put tiles, ceiling board, we renovate everything, we paint, you know, so we do renovation outside and then it will stay there. Bruno, you good? My dog is growing big. It's around maybe 40, it's around 30 kg. Whoa. You good? Anyway guys, thank you so much, and what's up, I'll take you outside. In case you're new here guys, this is my house. Welcome to my house. Although on today's vlog my intro didn't start here, and I must show you guys where I'm living. Welcome to my house. In case you're new here guys, welcome to my house. That one is my mom's house, that's my brother's house, and when I finish the plan for building my mama dream house, I'll settle down like another year to build my brother like rental house. I give one of my brother here the room, and then I'll have the visitor room on the other side there, and then the brother who I'm staying with him here, also I give him a room because everybody need their own privacy. I personally need my own privacy because right now I'm staying with my brother inside this house. Actually my brother's room just right there, that with the curtain, it's my room. So maybe in future when I finish my mom's dream house, I will build both of my brother the room and also the visitor room. In case you came in Africa, especially in my village, at least you have something to chill and doing your own thing at your own house. And for the special thanks, in future guys, I was thinking my visitor room or my visitor house could have a television, kitchen and everything, because most of the visitor need to cook their own food, and maybe if you learn maybe from how to cook African food, you can cook outside. But if you want to cook your own food inside the house, I can put all things only the visitor room guys. But for my brother and for both two brothers, I'll do a like sitting room and bedroom and toilet, sitting room and bedroom, toilet, like that way. But for my visitor, it's just like accommodation room, like room available. We'll have TV, sufuria, kitchen, and also I can put gas. Why not guys? Because of money. That's why I'm grinding so hard. Maybe in the future I could make good money, and then man, that's how simple life. But anyway guys, welcome to my house. Why not? This is how my house looks like. Me, nothing could be hide. You see guys, I have TV there, but no power. I have the small TV on the wall, not bigger. Like I bought that one, like I was dreaming, oh one day I could have a small like screen TV on the wall, just right there. I have table, I have chair. Look, right here. If you pay a visit one day, if you pay a visit one day to my home, you could have a space to sit. And maybe you sit here, you have a laptop, you do your own thing online, and maybe when God bless me, one day I could have off-grid solar panel. But so far so good. This is my brother room, so let me close it. And this is my room, like king room. The king room guys, this is the king room. Although guys, when this house could have enough maybe rooms, I could do a house tour, but for now may I say God thank you. We have ceiling board, we paint the wall, and I'm the one who designed to choose this ceiling board. And I told one of my carpenter on this design, because the house could be somehow low, you can tell maybe we have taller people, and this house could be maybe the ceiling board reach here, like going that way. But I told my carpenter just uplift and you do decoration. I have the plan. Even today I could go online, I choose 4-bedroom modern house, and then I will see I will see. I will see, guys. I will see. Maybe if somebody want to construct a house in Africa, you can go online, you click there, like how to build 4-bedroom bungalow, a modern house. They will show you the cost price from A to Z, even the plan. The way, even me, you can't believe the toilet that I build, I use idea from online, and I see everything. When my mason messed this, I say, no, you're supposed to do this and this. Look, like I have my phone, and I'm very, very tough on that day. You see on my phone, you see, I need, like this toilet could be this, going this and this. And then at the end of the day, we finish everything. And thank you so much for my good mason who came to my home, built for my entire home a nice toilet. Guys, thank you so much. We shall meet on the next video. For now, I'm speechless. I'm so tired. Working so hard. At the same time, I need enough rest. So right now, guys, if you came from your job, thank you so much. Sit down, relax, have a glass of water, drink, and then let's support Hello Baby Official to the end. I'm a free-hearted, I'm a humble man, and I want to help everyone. But me, I suggest who I'm going to help. Like, I help one of my boys, but he came from far. I think this month he'll be here again, and then I'll see how he make the progress. And he went for the first time to open a YouTube channel. And then I have a lady by the name Felicitas. Guys, please subscribe. So guys, I want to say goodbye. We shall meet on the next video.